Join me as we tour our Xcaret Garden Suite. You open the door with your bracelet, and as you can see here, to the right of our room, we have the bathroom. It's very spacious, and it has some cream and some essentials, a hot tub, and then a walk-in shower. Here, let's go ahead and turn on the light. Right here, it takes you to the walk-in shower, and it's very spacious. There's some towels and an area for you to sit down, which is fantastic. Then we have a closet, and you open it up here, and as you can see here, we have a safe. There is some room sandals for us and some drawers where we can put our clothes, followed by the ironing board. It has 2 comfy robes here, some umbrellas, and a little laundry bag, as well as a beach bag for us to borrow. There's a lot of room in the closet, and then here is just another space for the toilet. It looks like it's just a regular toilet space with a nice background, and then it does have a window, and you can turn it on and off for privacy when you're in there, but then you can just turn it off to let the light in. Also, they have a little soap for you to wash your hands, and it looks like they also have some extra little items in case you need anything. So it has like a comb and a toothpaste and a toothbrush, a little makeup kit, a little cap for the shower, and then if you need a razor or a razor cream, there is all that in there, as well as a little loofah. And then over here we have the hair dryer. So all of that comes in the room. And let's go ahead and walk over here towards like the bedroom area. So this suite has 2 queen size beds. There's an option to get a king size bed. They just didn't have any available this time around. There's like a sitting area, and you have your refrigerator, which is fully stocked with drinks, soda, beer, water, and some juices. And then on the other side here, we also have some snacks. Let me go ahead and open this, and there you have like your ice bucket, but they have some traditional Mexican candy here, and then some extra cups in your ice bucket, as well as your coffee maker and some tea. And then as you can see here, there's like a sitting area, and again the little eating area where you can just hang out. And then if you go outside, there is an area where you can lounge. There's 2 hammocks. There's Adam, and we had a really lovely view of one of the courtyards, and then you can definitely hang out here. It's very spacious and it's lovely. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.